Yeah, and so there it is. It's like the part 3, I suppose, of the videos. Just wanted to show I laid another bead to complete the fill of the chamfer on the 3D printed motor mount, which makes it nice, clean seal. I just gotta block up those little bolt holes there, 1/2-inch bolt holes. And again, I've adapted a PSC blower motor, single start capacitor, about a 1 horsepower, anywhere from 3/4 to 1 horsepower. Again, I'm not sure on the voltage. I'll just start it off at 120 volts and give it a good listen. If it hums too much, then I'll know it's a 240 volt. I'll measure the windings, resistance as well, and go from there. But there's the Nova coupler coupled to the hydraulic pump. So it's electric over hydraulic. Reservoir's full. I'm going to run another magnetic probe in here, make sure there's no further debris in here from the old couplers, Nova couplers that broke down. I was running a long time ago this motor, but it was hooked up by I'm not sure what the name of that place is, Western Electric. Some idiot didn't know what the hell he was doing. He hooked up a 3-phase motor to a single-phase power source over at the old other shop, and I guess he was thinking about using some kind of a capacitor exciter to excite the third winding, but didn't hook it up right, burned out the winding. I then cut the shaft off and made a housing with a Nova coupler to run an air-powered tool, which worked fine. I put several vehicles in this lift and it worked fine, except you had to climb up the ladder and engage this lever down once it's on. But this coupler on this vehicle, because it seems to be heavier than a Dodge Durango, which is surprising, keeps breaking right here where the web thickness is reduced. So anyhow, I decided it's time to put in a smoother electric motor that'll be on continuously. I'll just put this, I'll hook this experimental. I will hook that up to power, put a switch on there later, and proceed onwards. So this should make all the difference, hopefully, to make it happen, make it work, make it happening. That's right. As Tony Beats would put it, make it happening. All right, so just gotta wait for that adhesive to set up for a good 12 hours, and then I'm ready to roll. That's it for now. Over and out. Thanks for your interest.